Dear students, in this video I explain about the interconversion of states of matter, and for all the previous videos please click the playlist link which is given in the discussion part of this video. Interconversion of states of matter. See these images. Water in normal conditions, in general conditions, water is liquid, but when a glass of water is kept in a refrigerator, water changes to ice. Why? Why this is happening? Because water has been cooled. But when we heat water, the water starts boiling and changes to steam. Similarly, the steam on cooling changes to liquid water. For example, see in winter the window mirrors, window glass, some water is there. That water is nothing but cooled steam, and so does ice. On cooling water we get ice. Dear students, and from these examples we can say that matter can be converted from its solid state to its liquid state on heating, and from its liquid state to solid state on cooling. Similarly, matter can be converted from liquid state to gaseous state on heating, and from gaseous state to liquid state on cooling. So the change of state of matter is brought about by just changing the temperature, cooling or heating. Okay, change of state on heating. So the change of state of matter from its solid state to its liquid state on heating sufficiently is called melting. The change of state of matter from its liquid state to gaseous state on heating sufficiently is called boiling or vaporization. The temperature at which a solid on being heated starts to change to its liquid state is called melting point. The temperature at which a liquid on being heated starts to change to its gaseous state is called boiling point. Change of state on cooling. Okay, the change of state of matter from its liquid state to its solid state on cooling sufficiently is called freezing. So freezing is also called as solidification. Okay, next the change of state of matter from its gaseous state to its liquid state is called liquefaction. So liquefaction is also called as condensation. Freezing point and condensation point. So what is freezing point? At some point of temperature on being cooled, the liquid starts to change to its solid state. That point is called freezing point. Now condensation point. So at some point of temperature on being cooled, the gas starts to change to its liquid state. That point is called condensation point. Okay, dear students, some points you have to remember. That points are the freezing point of a matter in liquid state and the melting point of the same matter in its solid state. Here liquid is water, solid is ice, has the same numerical value. For example, the freezing point of water is 0 degrees centigrade and the melting point of ice is 0 degree centigrade. And also the boiling point of matter in its liquid state and the condensation point of the same matter in its gaseous state has the same numerical value. So water is the liquid and steam is the gaseous state. For example, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade and the condensation point of steam is 100 degrees centigrade. Sublimation. So what is sublimation? Some matter change directly from their solid state to gaseous state or from gaseous state to solid state without passing through the liquid state. So this process is called sublimation, and these substances which are involved in this process are called sublimates. So solid when it is heated it becomes gas. Gas when it is cooled directly it shifted to changes to solid state. So what are the examples? Camphor, iodine, dry ice, that means solid carbon dioxide, and naphthalene. Dear students, in the coming video I explain about the properties of matter, and for all the videos please click the playlist link which is given in the description part of this video.